Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss the water system, which is one component system. In earlier sessions of phase rule, we have discussed phase rule, phase, component, and degree of freedom. Phase rule is when an equilibrium between any number of phases is influenced only by temperature, pressure, and concentration, but not by gravity, electrical or magnetic forces, or surface tension, then number of degrees of freedom F of the system is related to the number of components C and of phases P by phase rule equation, and the phase rule equation is F is equal to C minus P plus 2. The water system, ice in equilibrium with water, in equilibrium with water vapor, number of phases is 3, number of components is 1, that is H2O, whether it is ice, water or water vapors. What is a phase diagram? This is a phase diagram of one component system. This is the phase diagram of eutectic system, which is a two component system. The phase diagram shows the conditions at which distinct phases of matter can occur at equilibrium. It is a representation of phases present under a set of conditions, that is pressure, temperature and composition. This is the phase diagram of water. On x-axis temperature and on y-axis pressure is plotted. The line AO is termed as vapor pressure curve. The line OC is termed as fusion curve. The line OB is termed as sublimation curve. The dotted line OA dash is termed as metastable curve. The water system, ice in equilibrium with water, in equilibrium with water vapor. This is ice, this is water, and this is water vapor region. One component, number of phases that can exist in equilibrium at any point depends on condition of temperature and pressure. There are three stable curves AO, OB and OC, and a metastable curve OA dash. Three areas AOC representing water, COB representing ice, and AOB representing water vapor, and one point which is termed as triple point, which is O. In the area, whether it is this or this, phase is 1 and F comes out to be 2. In the region, F comes out to be 2. That means if I want to know the state of a system here, I must know temperature as well as pressure to know the state of the system. Curve OA represent equilibrium between water and water vapor at different temperatures. It is called as vapor pressure curve. A is the critical temperature above which liquid water cannot exist. A is the critical point. It is at 374 degrees centigrade and at 218 atmospheric pressure. Curve OC represents equilibrium between water and ice. It is called as fusion curve. Curve OB represents equilibrium between water vapor and ice. It is called as sublimation curve of ice. Along the line, we have two phases in equilibrium, and when we apply phase rule equation, their component is 1, phases are 2, we get F is equal to 1 degree of freedom. Along the line, degree of freedom is 1. That means for this state, if I know the temperature, pressure is automatically fixed. Or if I know the pressure of the system, temperature of the system is fixed. I need to know either the temperature or pressure to know the state of the system. We can see that along AO, water is in equilibrium with water vapor. Along OC, ice is in equilibrium with water, and along OB, ice is in equilibrium with water vapor. Along the line, with increase in temperature, melting will take place. Along the line, with the decrease in temperature, formation of ice will take place. Here along the line, if we increase the temperature, vaporization will take place. Along the line, if we reduce the temperature, condensation will take place. Along the line, if we increase the temperature, sublimation takes place. Along the line, if we reduce the temperature, deposition will take place. There is a one point, we call it as triple point. Triple point, temperature and pressure at which three phases gas, liquid and solid coexist in equilibrium. Ice is in equilibrium with water, is in equilibrium with water vapor. O is the only point where three phases are in equilibrium with each other. It is possible only at fixed temperature and pressure for this system, and it cannot be altered. At this point, liquid can boil and freeze at the same time. At triple point, if we apply phase rule equation, there are three phases in equilibrium and it is a one component system. We get F is equal to 0. Degree of freedom is 0, which can occur at only 0.0098 degrees centigrade and 4.58 mm pressure. Metastable equilibrium. This curve is vapor pressure curve. So with due care, it is possible to cool water below freezing temperature without separation of ice, that is OA dash represents supercooled water. Vapor pressure curve AO continue below triple point O and it is represented by OA dash. Along OA dash, which is called as metastable curve, water supercooled is in equilibrium with water vapor. However, slight disturbance to supercooled water change it into solid ice and OA dash merge with curve OB. Curve OA dash lies above curve OB. That means metastable state has higher vapor pressure than stable one at the same temperature. If we take this temperature and try to see vapor pressure, stable state has this vapor pressure at this temperature, whereas vapor pressure of metastable state is higher. OC represent equilibrium between ice and water. AO represent equilibrium between water and water vapor. OB curve represent equilibrium between ice and water vapor, whereas curve OA dash represent equilibrium between water supercooled with water vapor. And at point O, three phases ice, water and water vapor are in equilibrium. What is the difference between equilibrium and metastable equilibrium? We have seen these are the equilibrium states along the lines, and this is equilibrium at a point. These represent true equilibrium. True equilibrium is the one which exists when same state in the system can be achieved from either direction. Ice can go to water and water can go to ice depending upon the temperature. Along AO, water is in equilibrium with water vapor. By very carefully lowering the temperature below the triple point, we can get water supercooled in equilibrium with water vapor. Along OA dash, metastable equilibrium exists. Metastable equilibrium can be realized carefully from one direction only and is disturbed by slight variation such as shock, stirring. For example, liquid water at -5 degrees centigrade, which is supercooled water. Metastable equilibrium, if there is a slight disturbance, it will follow the path along OB where ice is in equilibrium with water vapor. So that is the difference between equilibrium and metastable equilibrium. What we have discussed, regions between lines F is equal to 2, it is termed as bivariant. System here is bivariant. Phase boundary F is equal to 1. System along the line is termed as monovariant. Triple point, value of F is 0. System at triple point is invariant. In this session, we have discussed phase diagram of water, vapor pressure curve of water, fusion curve of ice, sublimation curve of ice, triple point, critical point. We have discussed value of F for the region, the line and the point. We have discussed metastable equilibrium, how it is different from equilibrium. Thanks for watching this video.